So BTC finally hits new all-time high, guys. Live on CoinMarketCap's blog Alexandria. So article by Emila Capra. So currently reviewing this article, guys. So you want to stay till the end to get a full heads up. If it's your first time coming to our YouTube channel, it's your keys. Apparently, what we'll drop crypto updates, crypto uh pegs, guys, airdrops and more. And we also do a little bit of other stuffs, guys, on our YouTube channel. So you want to stay tuned to us. You want to stay subscribed. You can click the red button, and you can also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we drop updates that can be beneficial to you guys. So you want to check our previous updates too for other beneficial updates that we've dropped so far. So guys, on table of content, it says short-term predictions. What is triggering Bitcoin rally? Inflation data jumps to the highest in 3 decades. The China ban Bitcoin hash rate, then taproot. So these are what we're covering here on this tutorial. You can let us know what you feel in the comment section below. You can let us know your feedback. So it said Bitcoin hits new all-time high last night as reaching $68,500 for the first time in the history and gaining over 3% in value over the last 24 hours. So the previous ATH had only occurred 3 weeks ago, and when Bitcoin hit $60,878 in the wake of the first ETF news that put Bitcoin in the spotlight once again. On October 19, 2021, the ProShares Bitcoin strategy became the first Bitcoin-linked exchange-traded fund for U.S. investors to debut at the NYSE New York Stock Exchange. The ETF tracks down Bitcoin futures, and in the first few hours alone after its launch, it generated more than $1.2 billion in volume. The ETF-derived newly injected Bitcoin funds may be one of the main catalysts for this latest rise. However, the many cryptocurrency experts and traders expected this upward move as Bitcoin chart indicators have signaled a new important run until Christmas and possibly beyond for months. So, guys, we're currently looking at price predictions for BTC. So, hopefully, all should be well. For short-term predictions, said popular Bitcoin analyst Plan B has predicted Bitcoin would reach $98,000 by the end of November and a high of $135,000 in December. He also rightly predicted $43,000 in September and $61,000 in October. Using a stock to flow model, he confirmed his reputation for delivering accurate predictions. So, guys, I think this is not a bad one from him. Although we're in November already, currently open forward for $98,000. You can let us know what you feel about this feat and this $135,000 for a $98,000 feature by the end of December. I would personally feel it is possible, but let's see. But for a 135 for December, never can tell, guys. So 1 year ago, Bitcoin was trading around $11,500 per coin, a rise of roughly 500% mirrored in the coin prices. So a recent Forbes article mentioned that Bitcoin is breaking out of consolidation pattern and most indicators are leading an upward movement. The setup appears to be quite bullish and the fundamentals are further supporting this positive phase. It looks like the next short-term target could be $7,000, but this new rally should not come as a surprise. The last few weeks have been prolific with good news about Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market. With the recent steps ahead in adopting NFTs and the open metaverse, the cryptocurrency space has never been more attractive to investors and financial institutions. The popularity of NFTs and metaverse, accelerated by the recent Facebook endorsement and active participation in the ecosystem, has undoubtedly favored the new all-time high for Ethereum as well. The second most popular cryptocurrency reached $4,837 for the first time, only a couple of hours after Bitcoin hit its all-time high. So the entire cryptocurrency market is experiencing a healthy and promising state, while over around the $3 trillion market cap. So what is triggering Bitcoin rally? We have inflation data jumps to highest in 3 decades. So we have lots of factors here that are currently triggering these updates for BTC rise. We have lots of them. And we also have the one of the China ban. I believe most of us remember what transpired in China as with the ban that CBDCs and lots in an attempt to discredit Bitcoin in favor of its centralized digital currency (CBDC), the country kicked thousands of businesses out of this land and said goodbye to billions of dollars generated by the industry. So that was a sad one from China back then, earlier on in 2021. Then we also have the Bitcoin hash rate. They say the price of Bitcoin appears to be linked somehow to hash rate movement because hash rate reflects the volume on-chain activity. Higher hash rates suggest that the more power is put into mining due to greater demand for cryptocurrency. So he said in July, Bitcoin took a significant hit and dropped to $29,800, sparking fears that bull market might have been already over for this cycle. Instead, that fall appeared to have been directly caused by China crisis. It was inevitable that once relocated elsewhere, Bitcoin miners would have brought the production of cryptocurrency back to its standards, also reflected in current price. The hash rate is now back to previous high of 179E before the China crisis, but it's very close again. So once again, Bitcoin seems to have come out of troublesome period more robust than ever. Then we also have Taproot. So the Bitcoin surge could also be related to some technical fundamentals. With the full implementation of Taproot, the most crucial upgrade since Segwit due some time in November. The first proposed Bitcoin core contributor Greg Maxwell in 2018. Taproot upgrade is supposed to improve Bitcoin privacy, scalability, and efficiency by deploying smart contracts on the Bitcoin blockchain. So the upgrade is underestimated by the collectivity, with most people unaware the upgrade is even an event. However, the adoption of smart contracts will mark a milestone in Bitcoin history as it will reinforce its competition with Ethereum by enabling a new range of functionalities. So this is as regards the use cases of BTC, guys. This is as regards the use cases. But finally, it says while many criticize Bitcoin for being old tech and believe other blockchains will replace it, the cryptocurrency keeps delivering significant development advances and holding its position tightly on top of proper giants. So, guys, thanks for watching Zubai Keys. It says on Amy like Capra, said I covered the educational content of BTC, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Buy Keys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking to the end. And you can let us know what you feel